Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. As you onboard with us in Portugal, some country-specific questions might arise. In this video, we will be going through some relevant country-specific information that might be useful. In order to complete the onboarding process in Portugal, we need to have some specific details. We are not able to onboard you if we don't have a local address and a local taxpayer number. In what concerns the Social Security number, although you will need to get this is not a blocker for you to start. You should, however, request this as soon as possible from the Social Security services, as a delay in getting this might have an impact in case you need to access any Social Security benefits in the meantime. We also need to have a specific IRS form. This is a document with some relevant information to get to the correct tax rate to apply in your case. You can download this from the platform, fill it in, and upload it. According to Portuguese legislation, all employees are required to attend a regular medical check. For remote workers, this needs to be done on an annual basis. For this, you will be receiving an invitation email from our provider with the date and time for your appointment. The location will be the one closer to your home address. In case you are not able to attend this, you can change it by following the instructions that you find on that same email. In what regards benefits in Portugal, Deel provides a health insurance through a local partner. The enrollment process starts after the start date of the contract. You will be receiving an invitation email from Ben, from which you need to log into their platform and input the required information. At this point, you will have access to the details of the coverage selected, and you will also be able to add dependents at your own expense in case the client is not offering this. Once the enrollment on Ben is completed, the information will then be sent to our local broker, and your benefit will be activated on the first of the month following the registration in Ben. During the first 2 weeks of coverage, you will receive a physical card in your home address provided on Deel's platform. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.